What if I told you there's a furniture piece that you didn't know you needed? I'm Mr. Kate and I've decorated thousands of homes, and I know we all want an Architectural Digest look on a Chipotle budget.
Oh my gosh.
Am I right? This piece we made literally sold out so fast the first time we released it, and it's finally back in stock. Woo! Not only does it add immediate renter-friendly architectural interest to any wall, it has little storage shelves for display, a beautiful mantle top for your mirrors, your TV, your artwork, and of course, an electric fireplace complete with optional heat to keep you warm and cozy. I honestly don't know of any other furniture piece that has more bang for your buck.